This lesson is on commission. Commission is a term that might be new for you. So it is a fee paid for services, usually a percentage of the total cost, which is why we're talking about it now, because we're learning all about percentages. So there are a lot of different types of jobs that get paid on commission. A realtor gets paid on commission. They get a percentage of the total cost of the house that they sell. Realtors only get paid commission. They don't get a salary or a base pay or anything like that. A car salesperson is another example of a type of job that gets paid commission. So a salesperson will get a percentage of the sale price of the car when they sell cars. The difference with a car salesperson and a realtor, while the realtor only gets paid in commission, a car salesperson gets paid a salary plus commission. So these are just two examples of the two different formats of the way you can be paid in commission. So let's go to the examples. Madison sold $42,000 worth of insurance in January. If her commission is 3% of the total sales, what was the amount of her commission in January? So we are going to set up our percent proportion. My 3% is my commission. The $42,000 is the total sales. She doesn't get to keep that $42,000. She only gets a part of it, and that is what we're looking for right here. When I cross multiply, I get 100x is equal to 126,000. When I divide by 100 on both sides of this equation, I'm going to get 1,260. So that is the commission that Madison earns. For the next example, Maddie is paid $1,200 a month plus a 10% commission on sales. What was her pay for the month when her sales totaled $3,480? So this is an example of where the person gets paid a salary plus commission. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out what she got paid in commission. When I set up my proportion, the commission percent is 10, and the whole sales total here is $3,480. Not to be confused with this $1,200 a month that she gets no matter what. So I am going to look for her part that she got paid in commission. When I cross multiply, I get 100x is equal to 34,800. If I divide by 100 on both sides of this equation, that's going to give me $348. So this is her commission. To figure out her total pay for the month, we're going to take that $1,200 that she gets no matter what, and we're going to add $348 to it to get $1,548 for her total pay that month. The last example that I'm going to go through with you is where you're given the commission percentage and the commission dollars, and you need to find the total sales. So Emmy received 4% commission on the sale of a house. If the commission was $7,200, what was the price of the house? So when I'm setting up my proportion here, my commission percentage is 4. And the commission is $7,200. So when we think about matching, this is my commission percentage, and this is my commission in dollars. So we know they match. So we're looking for the whole, or the original, the whole amount of the sale in this case. When I cross multiply, I get 4x is equal to 720,000. When I divide by 4 on both sides of my equation, I'm going to get x is equal to 180,000 $72,000. So this was the total price, sale price of the house, where Emmy made $7,200 from that.